Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial and a review on the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in Hot Jalapeno. So I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette and creating this eyeshadow look I have on right now. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Before we start the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And let's start the video. So this is the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $3. There are 2 matte shadows and 2 shimmer shadows. I've done quite a few videos using different versions of these palettes. This is the Hot Jalapeno. I've done quite a few videos with the other palettes. I will link them in the description of this video. If you want to see me do more videos with these palettes, like this video and comment down below and let me know. So I am going to be doing some swatches for you guys. I am just going to be running my finger over the eyeshadow one time and then swatching it on my arm. So I'm impressed by this shimmer eyeshadow. It's super pigmented. Some more high-end shimmer eyeshadows don't have this much payoff. And the matte eyeshadows are just as pigmented. They're not chalky or anything. They're really good. There's hardly any fallout. So now let's see how they do on my eyes. So I'm just going to start by priming my eyelids. This is the same thing I do every time I do eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be priming them the same way. The first shadow I'm going to use is the darkest shadow in the palette. So this shadow is very dark, and as you guys can tell, there is no fallout. None of it is falling out onto my cheeks, and it's just going exactly where I put it. And I'm super impressed because it is very pigmented, and you can definitely build that shade up to be as dark as you want it to be. Now I'm just going to be going in with that second matte shadow to buff that out. So already I can tell that this is blending out perfectly. I'm not having any problems. It's blending and there's no harsh lines. It's just melting together. So this is only a $3 eyeshadow palette, and it is blending this out perfectly. I know some higher end eyeshadows that I have tried, I've really struggled with blending out eyeshadows and really had to work with it and then still never got it right. And I've hardly even been blending at all, and it's already just blending how I want it to blend. Now I'm just going to be using this fluffy eyeshadow brush with no product on it and blend everything out further. So far this eyeshadow is very pigmented and blends out perfectly with hardly any effort. So now I'm just going to be using those two matte shadows and doing my lower lash line. So I am going to be doing a cut crease look. So I'm just going to be cutting my crease with concealer. So I'm just going to be taking that green shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying that on the inner part of the crease I just cut. I am going to be doing a ombre cut crease, so I'm going to keep that as far over to the inner part of my eye so I can use the next shimmer shadow to be on the outer part of the cut crease. So this is what the shimmer shadow looks like when I'm applying it. I did not wet my brush and it is super pigmented, so if I wet my brush, I'm sure it will be even more pigmented. So now I'm going to go in with the second shimmer shadow. It's more of a yellow gold shimmer, and I'm just going to be applying that on the outer part of the crease and blending it into that green shimmer I already applied to create a ombre cut crease. So I really love these palettes. Like I said before and earlier in the video, I have used several of these bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. I really like them. I love how you could use every shade in the palette to create one look. It's super easy and friendly, especially if you travel. This would be super easy to pack. I think it's overall really good. I mean, you can't go wrong for only $3, and it creates this great of a look, and the quality is amazing. Like I said before, I know some higher end eyeshadows that I've used that are not to this quality, so for $3 you can't really go wrong, and there's a ton of different options you can choose from colors. And here's the final look. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.